Hello, it's Crafty Ria, and I am here today to make 3 simple recycled Valentine's Day cards. I recently received these 2 blank note cards in the mail. They are just blank inside, but they're decorated on the front, and I thought I could add some goodies to them and turn them into Valentine's Day cards super easily. And then I received this one. It's a used Valentine's Day card, but it is so pretty. I don't really have to do much to it at all. As you can see, it has all of these 3D elements on it already, and I'm going to let the card do the work. So let's go ahead and start with this one, because this is my more traditional Valentine's Day card. Or I should say my more traditional recycled type card. This is about a 5x7. So I went ahead and got a 5x7 card base out of my stash in a color that is sort of similar to it. And then I thought I would mat it on black so it would stand out. I already cut my mat down to size. It's just a little smaller than the 5x7 card. And let's go ahead and cut this one apart. I'm going to go ahead and just cut the front off to begin with. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut the sentiment out of the inside. I wonder if this was for a teacher, because it's to Mrs. Paulson. I'm not exactly sure. And I like the sentiment on the inside since it matches the front. It has the same type of hearts on it. And then I need to cut this card down a little bit smaller than this black background. So I'm just going to trim it pretty much as close to the image as I can. I want to take this extra piece off of the back. There we go. So I'll just start by cutting the 2 long ends pretty close to that image. And then I will look and see where I'm at. That is pretty good. And then I'm going to cut the bottom and the top pretty close again to that image. That's about as close as I can get it. And there we go. We have it matted on the black, and that does make it pop. So I'm going to get my card base. This is a pre-folded card base. It is 5x7. I got it in a pack on clearance when Pat Catan's was going out of business. So that's how it's going to look when I adhere everything down into place. I'm going to use this AdTech Crafter's Tape. I did receive it in Happy Mail. And I will post the Amazon link below. This is pretty inexpensive. The tape for my big ATG gun is, I believe, still a better deal, although this is easy to use and it's transportable, so you could take it if you're going somewhere to craft. And then I'm going to just adhere this down. There we go. And this has all of these really cool heart embellishments on them that are 3D. So I'm going to leave that alone. I'm not going to add anything extra to the front. Like I said, I'm letting the card do the work. And I will mat this inside sentiment on this piece of cardstock that sort of matches the front. It's not exact, but it's close enough. I usually will line up 2 sides and then I will trim the rest away with my paper trimmer. I need to take a little more off that edge. There we go. Super easy. There we go, and that card is done. Super easy card, but it came out really, really cute. And then my next one, I'm going to use this. I really, really love these stripes on here. And I also received this heart in Happy Mail, and I thought the colors went really well. So I'm just going to, make sure the card's the right way. I'm going to adhere this down on there, and I will add a little bit of bling to it as well. I have this 3D tape, this foam tape. I'm going to raise this card up on it, and I will just put a piece in each corner. This foam tape is available at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to adhere this towards the top of the card so I have room for bling at the bottom. There we go. And I want to add something to the center of this heart just so it pops a little bit more. I have some stickers from the Dollar Tree, and I was looking through them and I thought that one looked really good in the center of that heart. I wanted to find one that was pretty much the same shape as that heart so it wouldn't take away from the shape, you know, it wouldn't compete with it. And I think that's really cute. And then let me get the bling that I had picked out for the bottom. I have this bling, and I thought I would put these hearts down at the bottom. Let's see, I can count out 5 of them and put that on the bottom. There we go. You can really see the bling hearts much better in person because they are kind of 3D. But that is card number 2. Super fast, super easy, and just using some stuff that I have left over from Happy Mail. And the inside is blank, and I can handwrite a message on the inside. Now for card number 3, I'm going to use this card. I also received this in Happy Mail. And I have some of these die cuts that I received in Happy Mail. And I thought I would put one there and then the word love right there. I think that looks so cute. See if I can hold it up so you can see it better. So I will adhere this heart down. I think I want this heart to pop up a little bit though. So I will put some of these foam squares on the back. And that'll give that a little bit of dimension. I like that a lot. Kind of want to see where I want the word love. Yeah, that'll look really good right there. And then I want to put the word love right down there. And since the word love is small, I'm going to go ahead and use a little bit of the Elmer's glue on the back of it. Crichton is excited. He says, wow. I don't know if you can hear him or not. He has been so vocal today. He has been whistling and just talking like crazy. There you go. And the card base is shiny, so it is kind of a non-porous surface, so it'll take a few minutes for that glue to dry. So I just want to be careful. I don't want to move that word around until the glue dries. I would like to bling up this heart a little bit. So I have these stickers, and I thought this purple one would go good with the colors on the back of the card, or on the base of the card. So I'm just going to go ahead and add it to the center of that die cut right there. There we go. We have 3 super easy and simple and fun Valentine cards just by recycling cards. So we have this one and this one. Those are great ideas if you just have a plain note card. A great way you can just decorate those and not have to make a whole card base. And then this one is a recycled card in true Crafteria fashion. Super easy and super fun. I hope you enjoyed these Valentine cards. I am doing a Valentine card exchange. If you would like to exchange cards with me, just send me a card to my post office box. Please make sure your return address is clear, and I will send you one back in the mail. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you did. Just click on that subscribe button right down there and then click the bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. Also, I have a Facebook group called Create with Crafteria. The link is in the description below. I'd love it if you came over and joined our crafty family there as well. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate each and every one of you. And until the next video, you know what to do. Go get crafting. Bye-bye.